So finally got to the shop. We found out tear down the engine. Let me show you what we found. As you know, we took the head over to CSM to get repair. Now it's time to tear down the bottom half. Let me show you what happened or what we found when we tear it down. So this is what we found. So definitely cylinder 4 rod, as you can see. Got broken, tear through this. The oil pan got damaged. Butter fragments got into the oil pump. So I think we're gonna need a new oil pump. Definitely a new wind tray. The block is not usable, as we all know that. But let's still tear it down. We're still gonna need our chains and stuff like that. I probably reuse them. This is a drag cartel chain we have in here, heavy duty chain. So there's a possibility we reuse that. Definitely new guides. Anti-skip, we're gonna still keep that. That's fine. But as you can see, there's a bunch of crap picked up in the oil pump. Possibility of saving it. Always use OEM, no matter what. Possibility of just changing it. All right, so let me tear this down, show you guys how bad on the inside it is, and then we can go from there.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive.
We have this all tear down. This is piston 1. Right. This is piston 2. No damage. Rod's fine. Piston 3. Okay. The culprit piston 4. As you can see, all of that got damaged. With a squirt, and then piston turned sideways, so the valve hit. That's the window that we created. You can see the rod hit there. That was fine. But to show you, this is 5 years of banging the hell out of this engine. This is the main bearing. Right? They're not in a bad condition. I mean, they were ready to go out, but 5 years. This one, yeah. But as you can see, they weren't in bad condition any at all. Just number 3, you know. But that's it. Everybody want to know what pistons I run. Let's see if I can clean this off real quick. Focus. Trom. There it is. Shelf piston. You can see the name in there. That's what we run. Big shout out to Jerry Bill Racing. Bro. 5 years abuse. Right? So that's all the stuff that we took out of it. These are all garbage. Possibility this get reused. Probably not. but that's what it is. All right. Hopefully, see you on the next one. But please comment, hit the subscribe button for all our to keep up to date with everything. I have a cold. That's why you hear me sniffing and stuff like that. But yeah. All right, see you on the next one.
Yeah.